So for example, if I type like what is digital marketing, okay, what is digital marketing if I type. So if I read the content in different websites, assume that you open to 5 websites, and in these 5 websites the same content is there. Okay, you just entered the keyword as what is digital marketing in Google. You got 5 websites in the search results. You got so many results. The first 5 websites you opened, and you have seen the same content in the first 5 sites. So if the same content is maintained in the first 5 sites, what will you think as a user? You will think this why these sites are having the same content, and you will lose the reputation. That means this Google company will lose the reputation, and user also will lose the interest. Okay, so Google company, why it is becoming why it is the number one search engine in the world means because they are providing accurate search results. Why not other search engines are used by other people means because Google is providing the accuracy, accurate search results. So what Google's duty is to maintain clean search results without any duplication. If Google doesn't find this issue, then what will happen? Google will lose its reputation. So that is the reason Google will launch some algorithms to clean up the spam websites, to remove the fake websites in search results, or to remove the duplicate sites in search results. Google will launch some algorithms. So the completely the Panda algorithm deals completely with the content. If any site owner is maintaining duplicate content, very thin content, that means less content in every page, and user generated spam, that means a lot of spam reviews below the product page or below the service related content, then all these site owners search results will be removed from the search engine, Google search engine. Keyword stuffing also negative method. So from the first day, if you do SEO perfectly by implementing like original content, there is no problem. But in case if you are using duplicate content or spam content or keyword stuffing, your site will be removed from the search results due to this or duplication, due to this Panda algorithm. So initially the Panda algorithm launched in 2011, and after that continuously it is getting launched every 6 months or 1 year once, like that. What does this algorithm will do after launching means it will try to catch all the spam site owners who are all implementing this kind of negative techniques, and it will entirely remove from search results, or else it may give some strong warning in Google webmasters saying that in the webmasters we have seen one option called messages. In the messages section, Google will display one message called your site is having too much of spam content. If you don't remove the spam content, or if you don't remove the duplicate content, your site will be removed from search results soon, like that. So for example, you are a site owner, and assume that Google launched the Panda algorithm today or yesterday uh, throughout the world, and your site ranking suddenly gone down. If you don't know about this kind of algorithms, definitely you will be in huge loss. So that is the reason you need to follow some popular magazines like searchengineland.com, or else follow the official Google tweets. Subscribe to these kind of magazines to know the latest updates. So what does this magazines will do means they'll post the latest content and algorithms like this. Even before 1 month or 2 months itself, they will tell like we are going to launch Panda algorithm next month. Please maintain your sites perfectly. Whoever is not going to maintain proper guidelines, their sites will be removed from search results. So if you are the site owner and if your ranking has gone down, then what you have to do to adjust? You need to go to the paid tools like a website auditor, linkassistant.com, one tool already we have discussed. Same as like we have discussed about cognitive SEO at the time of competitor. This one, the Google Disavow tool. At the time we have discussed about this tool. What does this link assistant will do means you can just go to the tool, enter your website, and create one in-depth SEO audit report. It will detect all the issues present in your site, like duplicate titles, duplicate meta descriptions, too long meta descriptions, or duplicate content. Whatever the duplicate issues are there in your site, you need to check everything. You need to solve it. It may be duplicate content also. So like this, you need to adjust. How it works means it will check the Panda assigns a so-called quality score to web pages. This score is then used as a ranking factor. Okay. So initially, Panda was a filter rather than part of Google's ranking algorithm, but in January 2016, it is officially incorporated into the core algorithm. Okay, so your site will be penalized if you don't maintain proper content. That is the final summary of this particular Panda algorithm. And how will you adjust if your ranking is gone down? Means you need to go with the paid tools and check all the duplicate issues and run a check on the copyscape tool or duplicate checker and find everything and fix it. So okay, that is the process. Next one is Penguin algorithm. Penguin algorithm deals entirely with the content, backlinks, entirely with the backlinks. There is nothing to show practically in this algorithm section actually. We just need to understand the importance of each algorithm. We need to understand the each and every algorithm importance and we need to proceed according to that. Penguin algorithm deals with the backlinks. So if any website owner is building backlinks with the low quality sites, or if the person is posting the links in spam sites, then that site ranking will go down. Here also the same thing, like every 6 months once or 1 year once, the algorithms will be launched. Initially it is launched in 2012. After that, continuously it is getting launched every 6 months or 1 year once. And what is the purpose of this? Penguin objective is to downrank sites whose links it deems manipulative. Manipulative means wantedly if you go and post the links so many times in the same site, it will become over optimized. For the same keyword, you should not build so many backlinks also, it will become over optimized anchor text. Since late 2016, Penguin has been part of the core algorithm. Unlike Panda, it works in real time. So how will you solve this issue means, as already we have discussed about a tool called cognitive SEO. In cognitive SEO tool, you have to check whether your links are spammy links or working links or suspected links. Anything you need to check it. Okay? Any paid tool you can use, not only cognitive SEO, but this is like a popular tool to directly interact with, to directly send the backlinks to Disava also. So unnatural links, how many you got? Suspected links, no follow backlinks, do follow backlinks, exact working URLs, okay backlinks. Like this entire backlinks audit you have to do in the paid tool called cognitive SEO, or else you do the audit in Link Assistant. Find all the backlinks and try to contact those site owners and remove the backlinks in that low quality sites. If you're not able to remove means you need to create one text file and send it to the Disavow. What is Disavow also last time we have discussed in the video also, you can check it once again. So if you don't solve the if you don't remove the low quality backlinks, your site ranking will be continuously going down. Even if you build high quality lab backlinks, there is no use. Okay, from the first day, if you build less number of links also, that is fine, but you need to build in high quality sites, not low quality sites. Okay, so the next one is Hummingbird algorithm. Hummingbird algorithm deals with the keyword stuffing, low quality content. If you maintain proper keywords with 1% keyword density, there is no problem. So many keywords, if you are stuffing in your site, then that will be negative impact in ranking, as well as low quality content is also a negative factor. Always you need to maintain original content, human written content, not like artificial tools generated content. So because Google can interpret the user's queries and it can understand whether you are maintaining proper content for the user's query or not. If you don't maintain proper content which is not having any meaning at all, then your site ranking will also go down. Okay, so just you need to understand, like, expand your keyword research and focus on concepts, not keywords. Focus on the concepts means use the question answer type related content. So if you are ranking in Google for a keyword called web design company in Bangalore, that is not sufficient. You should also rank for a keyword called which is the best web design company in Bangalore. That is like you can only keep the content in your site as question answer type. Keep one question and keep one answer. So like that, you try to rank in search engine for the question and answer related keywords also. So carefully research related searches, synonyms and co-occurring terms. Get sources of such ideas on Google related searches and Google autocomplete. Autocomplete means in Google search engine, if you put a keyword, it will show the drop down, all other combinations. Those are all autocomplete keywords. So you will find all of them incorporated into Rank Tracker's keyword research module. Rank Tracker is also one of the paid tool to check the ranking for all the keywords. So in this tool also, it will show you various combinations. Okay, Google Keyword Planner you can use, related searches, Bing related searches, Bing search suggestions, autocomplete. So all these techniques you need to use to find different combinations of the keywords. So do not use the same content in the same keyword. Use multiple combinations. Next one is PGN algorithm. It deals with the poor on-page and off-page SEO. If you don't maintain perfect on-page optimization and off-page, what is the meaning of this two? You already know what is on-page, what is off-page. So maintain everything perfectly in on-page and off-page, then your site ranking will not go down. Okay, so if you want to check any issues, you can go with the link assistant tool or any cognitive SEO tool. Any issues, you can check it. In link assistant tool, it will show you the on-page issues, like what are all on-page optimization techniques, errors you have, like duplicate content or duplicate meta titles, meta descriptions, headings issues, everything you can check in the link assistant tool. The next one deals with the mobile algorithm. Like mobile algorithm is basically like to poor mobile usability. We can check the mobile issues in Google Page Speed Insights. So in desktop as well as in mobile, both the places. If you want to see the score, you can go with the Google Page Speed Insights. Click this first link. Enter your website URL. So mobile as well as desktop, both issues you can see here. Even there are some other tools called GT metrics to check the speed issues present in your site. Okay, so like this, all mobile issues you can see, desktop issues also you can see. If your site is not loading properly in mobile device, like a lack of mobile version, poor mobile usability, that also will be affected in ranking. Okay, so one thing you have to understand, if some websites ranking, if you see in mobile, the ranking will be different, desktop ranking will be different, because if it is not optimized properly also in mobile device, the ranking will go down. Okay, so that's the process. And next one is rank brain algorithm. Rank brain algorithm deals with the query specific keywords. It is like a part of the hummingbird algorithm only. Like rank brain is the part of hummingbird algorithm. What we have discussed in the hummingbird, keyword stuffing and low quality content. In the same way, like always use the question and answer type related content in your site. Like keep the separate section as frequently asked questions. Whatever the questions are entered by the users in Google, like which is the best web design company in Bangalore, which is the best manufacturing company in Bangalore. For those kind of keywords also, you need to maintain some content, questions and answers. If you maintain a question and if you maintain some answer, then what will happen? Whenever a person searches for that question, and if that question is there in your site, it will appear in search engines. So it is the lack of query specific features. If you are not maintaining question and answer type, but your competitor is maintaining this kind of content, then your competitor site will be given with more importance. Your competitor site will come in top positions like that. So shallow content, that means very less content. Poor UX designing, UX and UI designing, lack of query specific features. If you don't maintain all these things properly, then definitely ranking will go down. Okay. So like this, you need to understand, you can discover relevant terms and concepts by using large number of your top ranking competitors. Those are brilliant way to diversify your content. Open your different competitor sites, observe what kind of content they're writing, how many words content they're maintaining for the important pages, what kind of questions and answers they're keeping, what kind of duplication they're having, any issues are there. Check it once and observe from the competitors and improve your site accordingly. The next one is POSM algorithm. It deals with the dense competition in your targeted location. It is completely related to like a local ranking actually. So always maintain proper sections like content, anything like titles, descriptions properly in the Google My Business page. So in the Google local business section, you need to optimize. So how to optimize your Google My Business page, I'll show you. So first of all, how to create a Google map, I'll show you now. After that, we'll discuss about how to optimize your Google map to rank your keyword, to rank your Google map for a local keyword. So maybe some of them already you know how to set up the Google Maps. If you don't know, I'll just explain you. If you want to set up the Google map for any company, assume that you joined in a new company, you want to set up the Google map. Open the google.com/business or business.google.com. Just log in with Gmail. We'll see how to set up the Google map for a company as well as how to optimize the map. So once you are done with the login details, you will go to the dashboard. Okay, so these are some different branch related Google Maps we have. In other Gmail, I'm maintaining some other branch related maps also. So first you have to open business.google.com, log in with Gmail. Initially, 0 locations will be displayed in your dashboard. You can also log in with business.google.com, log in with Gmail. You will get 0 locations initially. So how to add a new location, how to verify the location means you need to click this add single location. I already added this, so that is the reason the data is coming here. Okay, so add single location. You need to enter the company name. So what are all the details you have to enter? I'll just show you the existing location by editing. What are all the details you need to enter after clicking add location means it will ask you to fill the details like company name you have to enter, category you have to enter, service areas you need to enter, address. This is the important point. So in the address section, you need to put the marker correctly. This marker, you need to keep it correctly. So just click this edit option. This is the local address, and you need to check your neighbor offices or companies, anything. You put the marker in the exact place where exactly your office is there. So next to this office only, our institute is there in PTM branch. That is the reason it is displaying here like this. In the same way, what you have to do, first you need to open business.google.com, log in with Gmail, click add single location, then enter the company name, category, address, timings. In the address section, put the map marker correctly, and phone number you have to add, website URL, some description you have to add, keywords for which you want to rank in search engines. These are the keywords for which you want to show your Google map in search engines. And we have linked the same mobile number with the Google Ads also. So just you need to enter all these details. Once you're done with this, what will happen? Google will send one verification code to your registered address by postcard. Google will send one verification code. Physically, one postman will come and give you the verification code. Same as like ATM post, how will you get ATM pin? The same way, Google verification code will come. You just need to enter that verification pin in the Google Maps. Here itself, it will show you enter the verification code. Once you are done with that, after that, your Google Map will start appearing in search engine as well as in Google Maps. So you need to optimize this Google Map properly by entering the labels, description, products, anything. Then your ranking will not go down in Google Maps also. It will show in search engines. Okay. So you need to properly configure your Google Map by entering all the details in the backend. Okay. So next one is Fred algorithm. Fred algorithm means it deals with the thin content, affiliate heavy, or ad centered content. That means some website owners, if they want to earn money, they will be applying for so many online earning methods. So there is one popular online earning method called Google AdSense. Directly from Google company, you can earn money. That means if you open some websites, you will be getting some ads. So apart from Google AdSense, there are so many other online earning methods also. Okay. So in quicker.com, if you see, you will be getting some Google ads. As of now, we are not getting here. So what is this Fred algorithm deals with means, instead of applying for one or two online earning methods, if you apply for so many online earning methods, and if you place so many ads in your pages, instead of high quality content for the readers, if you if you paste so many, if you allow so many unwanted ads in your site. For example, if you want to download any movie in any site, suddenly it will go to Amazon.com or Jabang.com if you click any download link button. So if you redirect the users unwantedly for irrelevant, if you show the irrelevant information, then your site will be affected by a Fred algorithm. Affiliate heavy links means if you're using so many unwanted links, and if you're redirecting the people, and if you're trying to trick Google, it will penalize your site. Don't try to trick Google into thinking pages about something when it is really gateway full of affiliate links. That means many people will earn a pay per view also. Pay per view. There are some sites who will pay based upon views. If you generate so many visitors to Jabang.com by placing some JavaScript code in your site, they will also pay you some amount. That is a negative method, black hat technique. So there is some JavaScript actually. So the JavaScript code, if you add in your site, you can redirect the users. That is the reason many movies or songs, anything, if you want to download, it will not download properly. It will be keep on redirecting to other sites because they will get money. So what is the meaning of finally Fred algorithm means? You should not maintain this kind of unwanted links in your site. If you maintain this kind of links, your site will be affected and Google will analyze your site. Okay, that's the process. You can read this. Just go to the Google and type Google algorithms. Click this search engine land website link. You can read all these notes. You can also save it as in the PDF format. Press Ctrl P. Press Ctrl P and select Save as PDF. Select Save as PDF and you can save in your desktop. You can take printout also if you want. Nothing to give the notes separately for this. You can just read the notes which is available here itself. You'll understand the entire process. And you should also follow some popular magazines. Subscribe to the popular magazines like Search Engine Land and SEO roundtable.com, SEOchart.com. All these are popular magazines related to digital marketing, SEO, Google Ads, anything they'll be updating in the website. You just need to follow these magazines by subscribing to their newsletters. Enter the mail ID in the subscribe section. They will send you some updates. Whenever there is a update from Google company, directly you will get the update from this magazine. Every day they will send you some newsletters. Okay, so in interview point of view, these algorithms are important. And also while doing optimization techniques, while optimizing your site, you need to implement all these factors perfectly without any mistakes. Whoever is not implementing properly, those sites will be removed from search results and ranking will go down. Okay, so interview point of view, they may ask you what is the importance of Panda algorithm, why we have to follow the Panda algorithm guidelines, what will happen if you don't follow the Panda algorithm guidelines, what is the importance of rank brain algorithm. So this kind of questions they may ask you, nothing more than that practically to see here. These are all updates, and updates are nothing but softwares, backend softwares which are launched by Google regularly every 6 months once or 1 year once. That's the process. Okay, so from Monday onwards, what we'll do means we'll start the class at 12:30 to 1:30, because one new batch is started for other country people. Actually, there is a Muscat country, Oman. So from that country, around some 13 people are attending an online batch. They asked to start with the social media marketing. Anyway, for you also, I need to start social media marketing after this. So you can continue along with them from 12:30 onwards.